In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your limit in Sendwave. If you're trying to send a larger amount than your current cap allows, this walkthrough will help you move smoothly from a basic account to higher limits with the least friction and the most clarity. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so the right options appear. Updating first can prevent confusion. Next, head to the menu and tap My Limits. This is where you can see your current sending and receiving caps, along with any requirements to unlock a higher tier. If you don't immediately see My Limits, check the Profile or Settings area or pull to refresh. Different regions may display it slightly differently, but it's always within your account section. To request an increase, you'll be asked to verify your identity. The app will prompt you to upload a government-issued ID and, in many cases, to take a quick selfie so the system can match your face to the document. Use a well-lit area, hold the ID flat, and keep all corners visible. Avoid glare, and make sure the text and photo are sharp. Double check that your name, date of birth, and expiration date are clear and that your account details match your ID. If the app asks for both sides of the card, capture them one at a time and wait for each upload to finish before continuing. After you submit, wait for approval. Reviews are usually fast, but timing can vary by country, document type, and network conditions. You don't need to keep the app open. You'll get a notification when the review is done. If it's taking longer than expected, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your upload's completed successfully. Once you're approved, your limit increases automatically. You can confirm by returning to My Limits and checking the new figures. In many cases, you'll see higher daily or monthly caps immediately, and you can continue sending without doing anything else. That's the whole process. Open the app, go to My Limits, verify with your ID and selfie, wait for approval, and then enjoy the increased limit.